Anybody's up in America? Who's up now? Is there anyone online? Oh, you folks are up. You folks are up. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys? So, how are you guys doing? What morning is this? Saturday morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm tired. Just got to our next country. We didn't get to come on yesterday, guys, because when we left the Eiffel Tower yesterday, my husband wasn't feeling good. His stomach wasn't feeling good. I don't know what he ate. So we didn't get a chance to come back. We had to just go to the hotel so he could get something for his stomach. And he fell asleep. So, you know, we didn't make it to the bridge because we knew we had to get up super early this morning to catch our next flight. So just got here at the hotel and I wanted to come on and say good morning and give you guys a little view of where we're at now, right? Because I told you guys we're gonna include you a little bit on our little journey. Not much, a little. So I want to share the room that I'm in. Miss Vanilla she went to her room. She said she's tired. She's gonna take a shower and take a nap. So I came on to show you guys my room. So I'll show you guys my room, then I'll take you outside and show you where I'm at. I need to take a shower too and get a little rest. So this is the entryway. Hopefully you guys can see. This is a mirror right here. I'm still in my jacket. It's a little chilly outside. This is the bathroom, right? Then have the little thing where the water come up and wash the little coochie. Yeah, so it's the bathroom. It's a very nice room. I'm gonna bring you outside, don't you worry, and then reveal where I'm at. The room, this is Mike and I room. Vanilla has the same room. She's probably like 5 doors down from me. Yeah. This is where it all goes down. But hopefully one can see. All right. My little bag, I just drop it in the thing. It's very spacious. Maybe when I can't see the full thing. It's very, very huge. So let me take you outside and reveal where we're at. On my balcony, and we are in Dubai. Yes, welcome to Dubai. We're in Dubai, guys, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Yes. Right, Dubai. We're in the famous Dubai, and our deck is super long outside. Walking down It wraps around. It wraps around. It's like a little catwalk. Let me catwalk around here. Catwalk. Yeah, catwalk. Catwalking around the deck. Yeah, goes all the way around. Catwalk. Catwalk. Oh, jeez. Yes. So, we're going to take y'all out. You know, but we have to get a little rest. Just a little first. You know, freshen up and all of that. And then we're going to be here for a while. So, we'll show you some more of the fabulous Dubai. Yes, Dubai is absolutely gorgeous. And we have one more country after Dubai to take you all with us to. Alright? Yes. See? This is our view. And the sea is over there. Okay, it's so sunny. I can't even. Yeah. See, the sea is over there. Alright, so we're now in Dubai. Good morning. The comments are, I'm not seeing the comments, guys. Something with Facebook and the comments. So, when I really see the comments that, well, they're stuck. But if you're saying hello, hello, good morning. Glad you're up. Glad you're alive and well to be able to join me this morning in the beautiful and fabulous Dubai, all right? And we'll come back and show you more little bit clips here and there on our vacation here in Dubai. Yeah, hopefully when we go to the desert, I'll get the reception to work. Comments about having a good time, enjoy, not sure who's saying all of this. Like I said, I'm not seeing the comments that well, but I love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Have a blessed and wonderful day until I see you guys again, all right, on the live. All right, bless up on a nice, clean, beautiful, sweet self. All right, nobody telling her nothing different. On a beautiful, on a sweet, on a precious, on a worth it, on a worthy. Yes, keep your hearts clean. Let love rule all the time. Yes, love you guys. All right, we're gonna get a little shower, get a little nap, give Miss Vanilla some time to get our little nap, and then we're gonna come back. All right, and whenever we hit the road, we try to give you guys a little peek of what we're doing. All right, yeah, and if we can't come on, don't hold no hard feelings. Sometimes we just get caught up in whatever we're doing, and I don't remember if we come live. Yeah, here and I become I want to share, but that's just how me is. Yeah, we just get caught up in at the moment and forget to come live. All right, but love you guys. God is good, what me say, all the time, and all the time what? God is good. Yes. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Love you guys again. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. All right, take care.